Welcome back to Under Table review for Xiaomi Pad 4. You may notice that,
Few hours ago.
Welcome back to Under Table review for Xiaomi Pad 4. Today, a little bit special. We now test some soft thing. You may notice that I'm using tape at the corner to protect the case, the Xiaomi Pad, because I don't have the case. I can't find any case in Malaysia. So I did order some case month ago. Finally today arrived. And this is the screen protector. It's not the thing I buy. This is the back for Xiaomi Pad. It's also not the thing I buy. I only buy this on internet online. And this is roughly below 20 ringgit. And right from China, of course. And this is free gift. Today I received a new big package. I got under table review. Sure, I got under table unboxing. So let's unbox it. I don't remember what I buy most of the time because this ship over here takes months and I always order other things together. What is it? Oh, I think this is a filament. 3D printing filament. Restock. So that box is nothing. But this box is something. Xiaomi Pad casing. Yeah, I guess yes. Let me check. Oh yeah, that is it. And also they got free gift. Is it free gift? 合格证 approved. Well, looks great. I thought this is whole, but actually no. I forget to bring my Mi Pad today, so later go back to try. But just a casing, the manufactured casing so long, that should be fine. If you need this casing, you get the link from above. And free screen protector. Oh, open wrong place. You. Haha. This one also do later because I got that. But this is free. Well, good idea. Oh, that actually got another small free gift, which is also tablet case. How do we open up this one? Oh, I see. Well, but no use because I got my nice tabletop stand already. This one's so light, easy to drop down. Fine to do. Now, finally today, my Mi Pad 4 got clothed, got a case protector. Looks nice. And it's got holes because this one called gaming version gives some space for air cooling. I'm just thinking this is normal. I thought this one also is the empty one, but now it seems like it's fully covered. But it looks cool. After the casing on, after the casing on, the button is not effect. And only this side got button, doesn't matter. So the most important is like if I want to go here, still can go. Because it's quite opening, so try this one. Can I still go back? I can. Try this one. Can I still go back? Can. So not much effect on the side, but later on I will add on this free screen protector. See whether it's effect or not. Let me put this on. Put this on now. Really? Hey, of course I want to put this on now. Which is front, which is back. This is the back. This is the front. This free version is like fingerprint prevent, but may look bad. Doesn't matter.